This tutorial will take you through compressing, shrinking your video files down to a smaller size ready for upload to the internet. Before we go into the software that we've just installed, I just want you to go into the folder you've set up to organize your data. In my documents, in my case, my line dance business. I'm just going to click on there into video folder, and we're going to set up a new folder called compressed. I've already done mine, but we'll set it up again. New folder, compressed. This is ready to save our compressed files in. Okay, once you've done that, we can go into the software handbrake. So open up the software. This will be the first screen. Now you can drag and drop your video files into the screen, or you can do it the old-fashioned way. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. On the left-hand side, it says File, Open a Single File. We're just going to click on that and go to My Documents, My Line Dance Business Video, and Completed. So these are movies that have been completed. Our first movie. Now, just so we can have a quick look, if you right-click and select Properties, you don't have to do this, but we can see there it's 222 megabytes. That's how big our file is at the moment. So we're just going to open that file, open. Now this program does lots of different stuff really. We're going to keep it very simple, very standard formats. So the first thing we need to do is click on Web Optimize. Then click on Presets at the top, Presets. If we click on there, on the right hand side we will see our presets drop down. Now I've been using fast 720p 30. Seems to work really well, good quality, but you can try out a few different versions. Very fast will be a smaller file size, and it gets high quality as you move down. So we use fast 720p 30. Right, that's selected. So next thing we need to do is just tell the system where we want to save this file. At the bottom, it says Save As in this bottom part there. Click on Browse to the right, and we're just going to find our folder where we want to save this one we've just set up. Now this is in My Line Dance Business, Video, Compressed. I'm just going to change the file name, Compressed. Save. So that's ready now to convert the file. So all we need to do is click on Start Encode at the top, big green play button. Click that. Now I've skipped that part. It took just over 3 minutes to do a file of 222 megabytes. Not too bad really. So that's it. Let's just have a look in the folder and see our new take. Let's drag that over. So video, compressed. This is our new version. Right click, properties, 86.1 megabytes. Brilliant. Thanks very much.